Laka daw, mulihok ko na focus, shit. A, B, C, D. Grabe. So, ay nga niya mag-focus, guys. Basta ka nang tamad, gani ka mag-set up og camera, ana mag-focus. I think, tapos na direct mo na. Okay. Hindi naman siguro importante focus ka, na. Okay, let's start. Hey everybody, it's XanaPea, and this is my Uyanguren / San Pedro / Magallanes haul video. Yeah, I noticed that a lot of Manila YouTubers have been uploading their own Divisoria haul, and I really enjoy watching those videos. So, when I went to Manila last month, I decided to go to Divisoria as well to do my own haul. But, nung nagpunta na ako doon sa Divisoria, wala ko masyadong nabili. Ang nabili ko lang ay isang set ng brush at dalawang, what do you call that, case ng compact powder from Glad King. And madami akong nakitang maganda, mga cute, mga unique na mga stuff. Pero medyo namamahalan ako. And I felt like I can actually buy those things in my city. So parang nahahasalan ako na bilhin ko siya sa Manila, but then, and then ibabiyahe ko pa siya to Davao. Lately, natutuwa talaga ako sa mga Divisoria hauls and ukay-ukay hauls ng mga kasama nating YouTuber from the Philippines. So I decided I should also share the things that we can find here in Davao City. Kung taga Davao mo, kanitanan, makita ninyo ni sa Uyanguren, Magallanes, San Pedro. Basta basically ka ng mga, kawalog yung mga China good. It's a same day filming, same day edit din ba? Hindi ko alam. Maybe hindi. But I just wanted to do the whole video right away. Baka atakin pa ako ng katamaran. So, yeah, here it is. So, fresh from the streets of Davao City, nag-dinner lang ako, and then I proceeded to filming this video. Like, yeah, no fancy setup or whatsoever. Basta mag-film lang tayo ng whole video. And I will share my first purchase. Siguro simulan natin sa una ko na pamili. Dito ang una ko na pamili ay dun sa ito po yung may Tagalog. Una ko nabili ay doon sa Magallanes area sa Wison's Mall, yung baliktad na SM. And ang unang-una ko nabili ay mga hair extension. Yan, isang black, Isang black at isang dark brown. Murang-mura naman siya. This was originally 380 but ngayon binibenta nila ng 280. I got first black extension, hair extension. And ang quality ng kanilang hair extension ay maganda talaga. It's a 5 clip pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang pala, pero ang kapal niya. So, this is the black extension, hair extension, and kailangan ko to for an upcoming project. So, yan, at saka, kasi kailangan ko na din ng black, not sa kailangan, but gusto ko ng black extension kasi nga black na yung buhok ko ngayon, and my old extension is brown, so hindi na siya match sa akin. So, at least I will have an option if I decide to continue having black hair, I can wear this. But never ko naman talaga sinuot yung brown extension ko sa labas. But anyways, I just wanted to have this one for a project. Abangan nyo yung video. It's gonna be fun. The other hair extension is in dark brown, and binili ko to give to one of my friends. Actually, she's my student. And na-remember ko ang kwento niya. Napuputol daw siya recently, tapos masyado daw maikli yung buhok niya. She's a high school student, and kaya naisip ko na bigyan ko na lang siya ng hair extensions. The same area, I also got hair color and what do you call this? Oxide developer. Yeah, so this is not for me, this is for my friend. I'm doing my friend's hair. So ginawa ko na yung hair niya actually last week, but then we need to touch it up. And she wants it to be lighter. So, bumili ako ng 12% developer. Verdon ang brand. Not really important. And for the hair color, bumili din ako ng light Bermuda hair color. This is just a regular salon hair color in light blonde. I think this is only 45 pesos. And ito, 20 pesos. Yeah. The second floor, bumili ako nitong mga mga bato-bato, mga pebbles. Kasi, meron akong DIY project. May gumawa ako ng sarili kong, brush holder. So, you know, ito yung pang fill-in sa loob ng glass or ng vase para, para mag-hold siya ng brushes. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Nasa harap ko kasi. Wait lang. Para makita nyo at magka-idea kayo, ito yung DIY ko na brush holder. So, bale, I like this kasi para na din siyang like decorations or centerpiece. So, bumili lang ako nitong big glass container. And binili ko siya doon sa may Unitop, yung sa may San Pedro. Kasama din siya sa clip kanina. And this is only 179 pesos. Ang laki na niya. Masyado pang spacious sa loob. Kaya lang filler ko is, rock salt lang. Kasi I was like, oh tama, filler nakalimutan ko. So nilagyan ko muna ng rock salt for the meantime. Okay naman siya. Kaya lang I feel like, pag hinawakan ko yung brush, magkakaasin naman yung kamay ko and then I'm holding my face so baka magka-salt yung mukha ko. So, tatanggalin ko tong rock salt and then papalitan ko ng stone and that's it. So, ganito lang siya. Pag ginagamit ko, tinatanggal ko lang tong dahon na to, fake na dahon. Nilagyan ko ng ribbon para cute. And then, I can get my brushes easily. So, ito yung takip. Yan. Para walang alikabok. Yay! Balik ko muna. And then, yeah, nakalimutan ko yung price ng pebbles, 39 pesos. 39 pesos. I was thinking kung crystals ang bibilin or pebbles, but I want it to look more organic and gusto ko white lang siya para clean. So, itong pebbles ang binili ko. Then, pumunta na ako sa Uyanguren. Ang nabili ko sa Uyanguren, sa may Chinatown, una ay very basic actually. Nakita ko lang itong big roll, like 10 rolls of coreless tissue. I think this is very practical kasi ang isang Kleenex, isang box ng Kleenex, magkano ba? Almost 100. Ang isang big box ng tissue that I use here in my room and I also use for my clients for gigs. So, I thought pangpunas lang naman siya, panglinis ng brushes or mess or whatever. So, not really important na mahal yung gamitin. Hindi na kailangan na Kleenex talaga, di ba? So, I found this and lang siya, 55 pesos ang 10 rolls. So, very, very good na siya. Tapos, pwede lang ako magdala ng isa sa kit ko, sa gig, or at least dalawa. So, okay na siya, diba? Super mura. And then, bumili na din ako ng isang box. Pang-refill lang ng mga cotton buds ko kasi paubos na siya. And, yeah, pakita ko na rin. Wait. Tada! Ito yung cotton bud container ko na paubos na. Kita niyo ba? And actually, ito ay lalagyan ng kape, sugar. Yeah, usually yung pang condiments din. But ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko siya ng cotton buds, and ng toothpick. Mahilig talaga ako toothpick. Binili ko to sa Unitop din. I think this was, may price pa dito. Siguro nasa, I'm really bad with numbers. But I think nasa siya, 50 pesos. Ito, so it's very cute. Tapos pastel yung color niya. So, kaya, yun. Bumili ako ng cotton buds pang fill dito. And then, dun sa may buting-ting, bumili ako ng kung anik-anik lang. First na binili ko ay itong donut bun. Donut bun that you can use if you want to make like a very big bun, messy or clean bun, it's okay. And actually, you can also use this for making updo hairstyles. Let's say you don't want to tease the hair of the client so much. Tagalog. Kung ayaw mo masyadong i-tease yung hair ng client kasi nagmamadali ka or you don't want to damage the hair of the client, pwede mo na siyang ipalaman. I'm looking for that actual hair filler for updos pero hindi ko siya mahanap. Sabi nung isang fashion designer na friend ko na si Grand, meron daw sa Japan Home, but pumunta ako, wala naman. Kung alam nyo, kung taga Davao ka at alam mo kung saan makakahanap ng hair filler, please sabihin mo, comment ka kung saan ko magbibili yan. Kasi I've been looking for it pero hindi ko mahanap. So for the meantime, for hairstyling, I bought this donuts. I bought 2 kasi mura na siya. It's 25 pesos. Then, 20% discount pa. So, it's really, really cheap. Or hair accessories. When I usually do more hair accessories. After the donut bun, I bought these, what do you call this ba? Like pin lang, hair pin. You know, yung pag gusto mo ng mga eleganteng hair design for bridal. So, it looks like this. Yung may pearl. Pagkatapos mo mag-upload, pwede mo siyang ilagay for an extra accent and for extra effect. So, ganyan. In one pack, it has 4 pieces. Itong pearls na ito ay 25 pesos ang 4 na piraso. Bumili ako ng 2 pack. Then, bumili ako ng ito super nice. When I saw this, I was like, oh, this is perfect. Kasi super elegant niya tingnan. Wait, I'll open it. This one is much more expensive than the pearl one. But 4 pieces din sa isang pack. But I think the hair would look very lovely pag nilagyan ito. It looks like a snowflake. So, snowflake siya na It's so pretty. So, gawa mo, tutusok mo lang siyang ganyan dyan. You know? Nasabit po nito. Yeah, but basically, yeah, you know what I mean. It's so pretty. So nice. So, snowflake siya na sparkly lang. Muli ako ng 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang ba? 6. 6 packs. Very random thing. Nakita ko lang tong heavy duty na cutter. Na-remember ko yung cutter ko kasi super, nipis at saka parang siya yung mapuputol instead na siya yung pumutol. So, I got this one and this is only like 30 pesos. So, kinuha ko na din siya kasi mura lang. And then, another thing sa my stationery area is itong sticky notes. Yeah. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. 20 pesos lang. 4 colors na siya. Tsaka super mura and cute. And lastly, na kinuha ko is something na usong-uso ngayon. I don't know why bumalik siya, but I actually have one choker. Yeah, sabihin ko na, choker siya. Meron akong white na choker na may pearl. But that is actually parang too formal. Hindi ko siya masuot ng on a regular day. So, bumili ako ng isang choker pa. Yan, which is black, na meron din siyang gem, para hindi siya masyadong basic. But they have a lot of chokers there. Meron yung mga lacy type. Meron din sila yung mga black gems naman na nagda-dangle. But I just decided to get this simple one. This is CC para sa ibang accessories. I was actually looking, sinabi ko na sa video, I think sinabi ko sa vlog kanina na I'm looking for something for an accessory. But I did not find anything that I like. So, I think magdi-DIY na lang ako. So, I went to the textile area ng isang mall sa NCCC and then I got this parang gold patch. But I need red, but they don't have the red. So, I bought this butterfly sequence. Binili ko tong butterfly sequence kasi malaki siya. So, isang dikit mo lang, malaki na yung area na nako-cover. So, mas mabilis mag-DIY kaysa yung pabilog-bilog na maliit. So, like, dikit ka pa. Ito is like, mura lang naman siya, 11 pesos. Ito, medyo may kamahalan, 75. Mahal na sa akin na 75. I was hoping I could buy something for maybe 50 and tapos na siya, but then I could not find anything na magmamatch for my project. So, ito, bumili ako and mag-DIY ako mamaya. 11 pesos and 75 pesos. And then, I just bought wire for another project, upcoming project. I might need this for experimenting and doing some prosthetics. So, bumili ako ng wire. 20 pesos. And, ano yun? Thread! Bumili ako ng thread. May nakita akong parang, glass or like, eyewear area. Bumili ako ng, cloth. This is 5 pesos per cloth. Microfiber cloth. And lalagyan na ng sunglasses. Sunglasses kasi yung lalagyan ng sunglasses ko is like cloth lang and parang hindi siya masyado nakaka-protect. Ito looks so sturdy, so I like it. This is 80 pesos, may kamahalan din. Kaya lang hindi sila nagpatawad, hindi sila nagpa-bargain. So anyways, it's okay, 80. Yeah, 80 tong lalagyan. I think yun lang ang nabili ko sa haul na ito. I'm so happy with my purchase kasi yung mga binili ko, yung mga kailangan ko lang. But there are actually times na napapabili ako ng mga things na hindi ko naman kailangan, but it's because they're very cute and they're cheap. So it's like, whatever.
But yeah, most of the things that I use for decorating my room is actually from those kinds of stores. Example is yung lalagyan ko ng brushes. Marami pa akong ganong ideas. Siguro in the future, I'll share it with you guys kasi yeah, it's something that you can do and it's very yeah, affordable and it's very easy, cheap trick to beautify your own tiny space. Akin tiny. Kung malaki yung room nyo, edi malaking space. Kayo na. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this haul video. Magka-closing spiel na sana ako kaya lang naubos yung memory ko. Nagpalit ako. After a few minutes, naubos naman yung battery ko. So nice. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching this video, feel free to click the thumbs up button para malaman kung ano gusto nyo. Or better yet, you can comment down below and tell me kung may mga questions kayo, pwede nyo din isulat sa baba. And yeah, if you want to see more of my content at more of this oily face, ang oily ko na pala, then subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, that's at XanaPea, XanaPea. It's XanaPea, it's not XanaPea. XanaPea kasi patal po yung apelido ko. Starts with the letter P. Yun lang po explanation nun. Gusto ko lang umarte konti. But yeah, thanks for watching this video and hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!